Arrive in style with this Hyundai 2016 Accent SE, we finance. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 137 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, external temperature display and front seat type, bucket. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.